Okay, traders. Yes, welcome to a quick market outlook on gold. So this is Gold Spot and it is analysis for the coming week, and this will be from 19th of May to 3rd of May. So it is just a 5 days market move on gold, and actually it is a top-down analysis from monthly time frame. Then I'll be going down to the 4-hour time frame, and in the 4-hour time frame is where I provide the possible entry levels for the coming week. So make sure that you watch this video until the end, and also do your own analysis and watch analysis from other traders so that you'll have confidence on the probable direction on gold for the coming week. Okay, so I'm in a monthly time frame, and in the monthly time frame now, looking closely here, now you'll see this month it was just a sort of indecision, I can say, but we still have 12 days for the monthly candlestick to close, so we may see some changes until those 12 days lapse. So by the way, we see sellers push the price to the downside, and also buyers are pushing price to the upside right now. So anything is going to happen, but in lower time frames now we'll see the possible clear direction for the coming week. Then quickly in weekly time frame. Okay, yes, so weekly time frame is getting more clear, and actually we see now price tried to break below this level where price was playing above for around 4 weeks. So actually break below this level may indicate a possibility of continuation of price push to the downside, but we still have some conditions that should be met here before price continue to the downside or goes to the upside. So in most cases we have this line around 32.44. so actually if we'll see now the next weekly candle close above this line, so we may expect further push to the upside. And if we see there is further bearish candles now forming below this line, so in most cases we may expect further push to the downside in the coming week. So in weekly time frame, currently we're just in between we are in between a buying and a selling direction, but in most cases we may watch for a possible sell because of the break of now this key level. So lower time frames are going to give us with a clear picture of how are we going to trade now in the coming week. So quickly in daily time frame now, what is happening here is, okay, so daily time frame is now more clear because we see there's a clear 3-wave swing to the downside. So up to the moment we can expect now this swing is completed. So if this swing is completed, so what are we expecting now is just a correction of this move to the upside. So now this at least gives us with a possible direction, or what are the early trades that we are going to trade now in the coming week. So they are seen from a daily time frame by considering completion of this 3-wave swing to the downside, and also by looking on this level that was explained in weekly time frame. So we can now clearly see if price is going to break above, maybe on Monday, if we'll see prices trading above this line, so now this will signify a possibility of continuation of price push to the upside. And also if on Monday price will hold with the bearish momentum, so we'll be now looking on what's going to happen on Tuesday and the rest days of the week. And also when you look on the last two candles, now the Thursday and Friday candle, they signify a possibility of having a bullish candle formed right on Monday. So yeah, that is getting more clear with those two candlesticks. Okay, so let me see what is happening in the final time frame. Okay, so the final time frame is the 4-hour time frame. Now things are clear and we have the key levels for taking trades now on Monday. So if you follow www.asamforex.com, I hope if you look on daily updates on analysis, and specifically the daily updates, we had an update for the possible buy opportunities, and things are exactly moving in that way, and it was because of a simple technical analysis by looking a break of this one, a trend line, and also now it was supported by a confluence with this 5-wave swing to the downside. So we had a projection for a possible buy opportunities. Okay, so now the opportunities is still underway, so you can still take buy trades on opening of the market based on certain conditions. So straightforward, we are looking for a possible 3-wave swing to the upside. This is the primary projection. So if it is just a 3-wave swing to the upside, also we still have this level here. So in order to have confidence for a possible strong buy opportunity, we need price at least to break above this level around now 32.44. in most cases you can look for 32.45. so it will be now a strong buy opportunity once price is trading above that mentioned level. But up to the moment you can still also take some buys, because if you look on the last candles, you can see buyers are coming in slowly. So we may expect later strong bullish candlesticks will be formed when now the strength of the buyers is getting more stronger. So okay, so now how are you going to trade next week? So next week you'll be watching for buy opportunity right on opening of the market. Then if price will go to the upside and break above 32.44, you will look for a possible retest. You will continue with taking buy trades up to the levels of around 33.33 or 33.32, and then from there now we will be watching for either price reversing to the downside in continuation of the bearish trend, or we may watch for break and continuation to the upside up to the levels of around 34.35. So now if price will further push to the upside beyond 34.35, now that's going to be a serious buy. But for next week, let's consider what has been provided here in this projection. So thank you and have a powerful weekend.